Hi, I'm Darrell Stafford with Catalysis. A lot of times we get asked, can you modify our tooling? And the answer is yes. It's no different than an aluminum tool or a wood tool. Here's an example of our tool. You just simply CNC out an area like you would normally, and then we would 3D print the piece and bond it in. Sometimes it's cheaper to print a new tool rather than modify. So our tools are very low cost. You get a tool this size that maybe has two areas that needs modified. A lot of times it's cheaper and definitely faster just to reprint that tool rather than design the insert and bond it in. So sometimes when we modify these tools, we'll bond in a 3D print, but it won't be the binder jet print. It'll be a different print because maybe there's higher resolution requirements. So this is the HP print, very nice 25 micron layer resolution, very high accuracy print. We would print this part and bond it into a tool if it's needed, so it's always case by case. So as you know, it's very common to modify thermoforming tools. You form your parts the customer wants to change, so it's very common to do that. So we have a lot of tools out in the field that have been modified, and it's always case by case whether you modify a tool or print new. And so if you have any questions, give us a call.